Okay, so what we have here is a Bachman model train set. We got it for our daughter about 4 years ago now, and we bring it out every Christmas. And this year we've got a problem. You can see that it's kind of starting and stopping. And when we first turned it on, it wouldn't even move, and we kind of had to tap it on the top of the locomotive to make it work. So it seems like it just has a bad connection, and if you look really close at the wheels, you can't really see it there, but there were some sparks, some tiny little sparks flying. So it seems like we just have a bad connection, that it probably just got dirty over the years here, being under the Christmas tree. And so we're gonna try something to clean that out and lubricate it. Okay, so my first thought to fix the situation was to clean the wheels. I thought maybe that inside the wheels in here, like in here, it was gunked up and maybe needed to be cleaned out or lubricated. So I have this obviously very old can. It's from Radio Shack. I don't know if Radio Shack even exists anymore, but this is a control and contact cleaner lubricant. So I found this and I was going to try this, but then I found another YouTuber tried another trick that before you go to lubricate, that it might just be dirty wheels. And these wheels do look like they might be dirty on the bottoms here. So we're going to try to clean that first with some rubbing alcohol. So we're going to start with some paper towels, and we're just going to dab some rubbing alcohol. I'm using 91% here, but I'm sure you can use a lower. That would be fine. So I've just dabbed the very end of this paper towel here, and we're going to stick it on the track. And this is where the genius comes in, is that if you connect this locomotive to the tracks, it will start the engine and move the wheels so that you don't have to clean them with like a Q-tip. You can just let them spin on here on the paper towel with the rubbing alcohol on it. So these wheels are spinning away right now. Move it around a little bit. And there you can see it took away quite a bit of dirt. So I'm going to keep trying. The connections on the back wheels. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Now we will try the same things. Same thing on the back wheels here. See how much dirt we can get. Okay, quite a bit of dirt came off. It looks like these wheels are definitely cleaner now. So we're also going to give the track a wipe. Just going to fold this over to the other side here, and just kind of give a light wiping all the way around the track. All right, here is the moment of truth. We've cleaned the wheels, we've cleaned the track, and we're going to give it a whirl. Looks good. Yeah. Dun dun. Christmas is back on. For a minute there, I thought we weren't going to be able to have Christmas.